Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix camera focus issues on your POCO M8 Pro smartphone. First of all, let's check the lenses on our device. So as you can see, some of them are kind of blurry from the outside. So let's grab a microfiber cloth, a piece of microfiber cloth, and try wiping them with it, so that they are clean and smooth and we can see everything clean and smooth through them. Now let's try wiping each lens carefully. Try not to push too much, we don't want to damage them. Okay, and once each lens is pretty much clean, we can try checking our camera application. So go to your camera application. Where is it now? Okay, here it is. Now let's check the image quality. Well, in my case, everything works just fine. But in case your issue isn't resolved still, let's tap the arrow icon at the bottom. Then let's go to settings. Then let's go to general settings. And here in general settings, go to all other settings. Select restore default settings. Tap OK. And this will restore the default camera settings. And now, if you're still encountering the issue, just try tapping on the object that you want to focus on before taking a photo, and this should resolve the blurriness and the focus issue on your camera. If it doesn't, then also try updating the software. To do so, go to settings, go to about phone section, make sure that you are connected to the internet, open Xiaomi HyperOS, and then check if you have any updates available. So if there are any updates available for your device, then of course download and install the most recent software version. Let it install on your phone, then reboot your phone, and then try checking your camera once again. If the issue isn't resolved even afterwards, then at this point this might be a hardware issue and you should reach out to Xiaomi customer support service and tell them about this problem. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.